Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to get into the RayBan Meta glasses, how to replace the lenses. As you guys know, I posted a few videos on them and I really like them, but they scratch up very easily, the lenses themselves. I actually have the old lenses here because I had to change them. And let me see if I can angle it. You should be able to see there's a big smudge on it, and that's from when I threw them in my gym bag, and it was my fault. I should have put them in their protective case, and I always do that now. But in any case, I called Sunglass Hut and they told me that it was going to be like $200 to get new lenses for them because they don't do it. They have to send it to RayBan and whatever. I wasn't about to spend $200 on lenses when the glasses are worth $300. So it just seems silly to me. So I looked online and I found this company called Apex Lenses. They haven't sponsored anything, but I wanted to share it with you guys because I found these polarized glasses that fit or are made for these exact frames, and they were $59. So $59, $200 obviously seems like a no-brainer. The only thing is that they don't have the RayBan logo on them. So if you care about that, then it's not there. Personally, I don't give a damn because if that little sticker is worth an extra 140, I don't think it is. So this is what I've been using. The way that you replace them is actually very easy. All you have to do is hold on to the frames and then push on the bottom of the lenses in order to pop them out. So you pop them forward and then you do it to the other side, and then to put the other ones back in is just do it in reverse. Align them and then just click them in. They'll click. You're gonna hear the clicking when it goes into the frame.
Do you know when that'll take place?
And yeah, you're good to go. So it took like a couple of minutes to do it. I did it myself instead of sending it out anywhere. And I mean, you know, trying to be positive, one thing that I learned is how easy it is to replace. Because if you ever scratch up any of your lenses on other glasses, now like I didn't know it was that easy to just pop them out and pop them back in. I thought it was like a whole thing where you have to unscrew things and whatever. Maybe I'm ignorant, I don't know. But yeah, just pushing them out, pushing them back in, and you're good to go again. So I really like them. I got the Polarized Pro AR protection and enhanced clarity, it says. And I'm looking down because I'm not gonna memorize this stuff. But what it is, it has UV protection, obviously True Fit technology, so I'm guessing it's measured for these size frames. Scratch resistant, I would say I would put that to a test, but I've already scratched up one, so I don't feel like doing it. If it does scratch, I'll let you know, but it allegedly has that. There's a 1-year warranty, and obviously I got the polarized ones and anti-reflective coating and enhanced clarity. So those are the things, jargon that they put on there. I will say the only difference that I do notice is that, check this out. On the original ones, there's a little bit of fading, so it's darker on top and then lighter on the bottom. Personally, I don't like that. So I like the ones that are black from top to bottom. There's no gradient. So I prefer these actually on that front. The only other thing is that I do notice is that, check this out. So on these, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, on the inner portion, there's no color variation, there's nothing. On these, I guess because of some of the coatings, check this out. You should see, yeah, there's like a little purple, blue kind of tint. You don't really see that 90% of the time. The only time that you see a little bit of like that bluish tone is if there's really bright highlights. So let's say you're driving, and I'm leaving them on so you guys can see what they look like compared to the old ones. The only thing is like when you're driving and you see like a really bright highlight on a car, I've noticed that it has a little bit of a blue tint. But other than that, and you really have to think about it in order to notice those things. Otherwise, it just, I don't know, to me, it didn't really make a difference. So yeah, I just wanted to come in here, show you guys it's not that difficult. There's cheaper options than sending it to Sunglass Hut or sending it to RayBan, because I mean, it just seemed a little ridiculous when I was doing my research. I'll leave the link down below to Apex sunglasses. You can find them on Amazon. Again, they're not paying me to make this video. They're not sending me anything, but I just thought it was a good video to make because I'm sure there's gonna be a few of you guys that are gonna scratch your lenses. I was actually very surprised how easily they scratched, because I have the RayBan Wayfarers, the older ones without the speakers and all that, and I've put them in my gym bag multiple times, just threw them in there, and I've never had an issue. But this one, I mean, I haven't had them for that long, so I was a little surprised, a little disappointed, if I'm being honest, but luckily there was a fix that was fairly easy. So let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I'll leave the link down below for that. Thank you guys for watching.